Late night at the airport, flight at 11:10 p.m. Probably the last one from the airport. Going to Frankfurt. Han and Eva, I'm so sorry for whenever you will see this video. I don't know what we are doing, I don't know what's the plan, I don't know where I'm sleeping, but I'm coming. So, here we go.
We can see.
I'm so sorry.
This is no problem, no problem. This is just.
Can you
This
film
is
this?
just.
Today is the 29th of July and I just got a Santa Claus ticket for the gondola. Wow. Oh, that's a lot of food. What is this? Food.
That's good.
Cheers. I think this is the third cheers we have in 3 hours.
Well, you said you will never say no.
I'm not saying no.
Yeah.
I say yes. Cheers.
Cheers.
I'm not saying no.
Let's try it.
I think I'm the only non-German here.
I don't know.
This is the fifth.
Okay, cheers.
Cheers. Six, this is seven probably.
I thought it was 8. Okay.
From the 7th to the 8th. Cheers. We're making Milanese risotto in Germany with German ingredients, so I hope it will be good. Let's see. Back to drinking, but just in a different place. Take a video of the unnecessary wine after the wine tasting.
It's not an unnecessary wine, no wine is unnecessary.
This is cheers number 2037 of the day. Cheers!
Cheers.
Cheers with the bottle, Sabrina.
Cheers to you guys.
We said goodbye to Efa, we said goodbye to Sabrina, we said goodbye to everybody. Now we are alone in Frankfurt. It's 8:30, it's a little bit chill, all shops are still closed, so not yet time to have a stroll and explore the city. Better start with a cup of coffee. This is good news, but still we need a coffee this morning. Wonderful. So there should have been free walking start at 11. Meeting point in front of St. Catherine Church. This one. Next to the S-Bahn station. This one. The website says look out for the guide with the red umbrella. But no red umbrella. This is probably why I couldn't book it on the website. So anyway, I think it's better to continue strolling by my own. It's mass time at Dome of Frankfurt, so cannot visit that. Seems like today I'm a little bit lucky. Continue strolling, that's it. I'm not gonna lie, I'm really having a blast recording this sort of vlog, but it's really the first time I've ever attempted to do anything like this. So it's really appreciated if you can give me some sort of feedback, either leaving a comment below or leaving a thumbs up or a thumbs down, but better thumbs up of course, and DMing me, whatever. Just let me know. First time trying this, and I don't know what the final result is. Let me know how I can improve, if you like it, or if I either better stick to my hiking and trekking videos. I don't know, but I'm really enjoying this experience. Back to home. Welcome to Milan. Wonderful sunset. Skyline of Milan.